My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes. This is lecture number 65. In this lecture, we will try to understand about how to draw a trend line in technical analysis. Let us try to understand this concept. First, what you have to do, we have to identify at least two significant price points. That significant price points may be highs or lows. Use a straight line to connect these points. Extend the line to what we have to do? We have to extend the line to project future price movement. Adjust the line to maintain accuracy as new price points emerge. Here I can say these highs or lows, these price points, I can call it as quotes. There is another name. If I speak strictly, there is another name is QOTS, quotes. What is this quotes? We will try to understand. A trend line is drawn by connecting two or more significant price points. Quotes means what? Significant price point. Significant price points. I will repeat. A trend line is drawn by connecting two or more significant price points. These significant price points are called as quotes, isn't it? What is this? Let me say, just if you observe this one, that's what we are doing here. This is one quote, this is another quote. Just you are drawing a trend line. Just see this one. In similar manner, I have quote here, I have quote here, I have quote here. I must have at least 2 points, isn't it? A trend line is drawn by connecting two or more significant price points. That significant price points are known as, there is another name for that one is, what is that another name? That is quotes, isn't it? Yes. How quotes related to trend lines? A trend line is drawn by connecting two or more significant price points, that is known as quotes. How many types of trend lines are there? Let us try to understand. Before understanding types of trend lines, this is higher highs. What is this? Bullish. This is low. This one is the higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Of course, this one is low, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. That's what it says. Just let me discuss types of trend lines. First one is, I can say, uptrend line. What is this uptrend line? We will try to understand. Drawing, what I have to do? I must draw along successive higher lows in rising market. Successive higher lows means what? This is higher low, this is higher low, this is also higher low, this is also higher low. I am drawing this particular line, uptrend line. This line I can call it as uptrend line. Uptrend line, how can I draw it? Draw along successive higher lows in a rising market, isn't it? What it indicates? Indicates bullish trend. What is the use of this particular uptrend line? This acts as a support level, isn't it? Just see this one. This one is one quote, another quote, another quote. Just I am drawing the line. This line is also called as, there is another name. What is that name? It acts as support level. What is this? This is bearish trend. This is, I can say this is high, lower highs, lower highs, isn't it? This lower highs and lower lows. This is lower highs, this is lower highs. This one is lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. That's what it says. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. This one is lower highs, lower highs. What is this trend? This particular trend is known as bearish trend, isn't it? Now let us try to understand downtrend line. Otherwise there is a name, descending trend line. How can I draw it? This is so simple. Downtrend line how can be drawn by connecting two or more lower highs to define downtrend line. What is this? This is this one is lower highs. 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 That's what it says. This can be drawn by connecting two or more lower highs to define downtrend line. This particular line is known as downtrend line. It indicates a bearish trend. That is important. This is drawn by connecting two or more lower highs to define downtrend line. It indicates what it indicates. It indicates bearish trend. Even I can say it acts as resistance level. This one acts as resistance level. It is so simple. This is horizontal trend line. How can I draw it? Horizontal trend line drawn at consistent price levels where price frequently reverses. Just see, where price frequently reverses. Here price is reversing, here price is reversing, isn't it? Therefore, I can say that's why we are saying drawn at consistent price levels where price is frequently reverses. Support a level where price trends to stop falling. That stop falling is known as, I can say, level that is known as support level, isn't it? Resistance means a level where price tends to stop rising. This is resistance line. Why? Because stop rising. This is something like here. This is above one is, I can say, a resistance. Here, below one is support. That one can understand. Just see here, you can understand. This is resistance. What is resistance? Just let me show it once. Yes, this is resistance. This one is support. For which? For horizontal trend line. Support line draw at levels where the prices has repeatedly bounced up, indicating strong buying interest. Resistance line drawn at levels where the price has struggled to break through, indicating strong selling pressure. Breakout confirmation: if the price breaks through horizontal trend line, it may indicate a trend continuation or reversal. Yes, what are the common mistakes? I can say mistakes are forcing trend lines where none exist, using only 2 points without confirmation, ignoring price action around the line. What are the best practices? Use at least 3 points for confirmation, adjust lines dynamically as the market evolves, combine trend lines with other indicators for better accuracy. I can say what are the key takeaways. I can say what are the key takeaways are. First one, it is useful for identifying trends. Trend lines help to determine the overall direction of the market. Direction of the market means that may be uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. It acts as support and resistance. Uptrend lines acts as support, while downtrend line acts as resistance. Breaks in trend line signal potential reversal. Validation: a trend line is more reliable if it touches at least 3 points on the price chart. Adjustment and subjectivity: trend lines may need adjustments as new data emerges. Use with other indicators. For strong confirmation, trend lines should be used alongside moving averages, volume analysis, and chart patterns. The breakout and breakdown signals: a break above a downward line suggests bullish momentum, while break below an upward line signals a potential bearish move. Trend lines are fundamental tools in technical analysis that help traders and investors to identify market direction, support, and resistance levels. By drawing a straight line connecting significant price points, trader can gain insights into the strength and sustainability of a trend. When combined with other technical indicators, trend lines enhance decision making and risk management. However, they are subjective and should be used in conjunction with the other form of analysis. Thank you so much.